What began with just 34 kilometers of track between Mumbai and Thane in 1853 has grown into a 69,181 kilometer long network connecting cities, people, and industries to markets. The Indian Railways, which started by carrying just 400 passengers, quickly became a driving force in shaping modern India. The rich legacy of this network is captured by the Hindu's latest e-book, Moving Millions, The Magic of the Mundane in Indian Railways, which explores how this massive system has transformed the nation over 172 years. Built by the British for military, commercial, and administrative purposes, railways initially connected ports to hinterlands, lowered transport costs, and raised district-level agricultural incomes by 18% between 1870 and 1930. Cities like Mumbai emerged as cosmopolitan hubs, bridging mountains and markets while laying the foundations of India's industrial growth. What began as a tool of extraction eventually became a thread that wove the nation together. After independence, Indian Railways evolved into a national lifeline. It now operates 69,181 route kilometers and 109,748 kilometers of total track, making it the largest passenger-carrying rail network in the world under a single management. Retired Indian Railway Traffic Service Officer R. Badri Narayan explains how this organization, employing over 1.3 million people, keeps trains running 24/7, year after year across the vast network. Suburban railways are the heartbeat of Indian cities. The Mumbai suburban trains alone carry 7.5 to 8 million passengers daily, while 1.8 million rely on Chennai's network. The Delhi operates nearly 400 kilometers of network across more than a dozen lines, serving Delhi and neighboring cities including Noida, Ghaziabad, and Gurugram. Over 4 million people use the network daily. The Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Cooperation, or IRCTC, manages around 1.3 million ticket sales daily and serves 16 lakh meals per day. While most ticketing is digital, crowded unreserved compartments still pose a challenge. Financially, the railways faces stress. Passenger fares are heavily subsidized with social service obligations costing over 43,700 crore rupees annually. The freight operating ratio is around 67%, helping subsidize passenger travel, while fares from AC 3-tier and other profitable classes help balance the books. M. Jamshed, a distinguished fellow at Chintan Research Foundation, decodes railway finances. Innovation is central to its story. The Vande Bharat Express, India's semi-high-speed train, was developed in less than 18 months at the Integral Coach Factory. Featuring India's first train control management system, it combines speed, safety, and efficiency. Shubhranshu, the engineer who led Team ICF, calls it proof that public sector enterprises can lead India's Make in India ambitions. Railways also power India's economy. Freight operations carry thousands of tons of raw material and goods daily, linking rural markets to industries. Yet, operating in synchronicity is vital. Even a small error can be catastrophic. Safety remains a top priority, with systems like Kavach, India's automatic train protection system, being deployed across the network. Still, challenges persist. High-density lines operate at 150% capacity and 1.52 lakh critical safety vacancies remain. In 2023-24, there were 6 collisions that, along with other train accidents, resulted in 325 passenger fatalities and 714 passengers sustaining injuries. There are also more than 2,000 deaths every year due to falling from trains and trespassing. S. Vijay Kumar of The Hindu explores why these accidents occur, while Matthew John, a lifetime railway officer, observes that the railways has ways to go from being a dependable and safe transportation system. He explores the ground reality and offers solutions. Trains are more than transport. They are cultural symbols. From Satyajit Ray's Pathar Panchali to Sholay and literary works like Train to Pakistan, Indian Railways represent modernity, escape, and the nation's journey, both literal and symbolic. None of this is possible without the dedicated men and women who run the system. N. Kannaya, president of the All India Railwaymen Federation, highlights the importance of keeping the railway publicly owned, distinguishing modernization from privatization. The Hindus Moving Millions, The Magic of the Mundane in Indian Railways brings together 20 chapters, 3 interviews, 13 info sheets, maps, and data visualizations, decoding both the basics and brilliance of the railways. From the chug of steam engines to the hum of high-speed Vande Bharat trains, Indian Railways carries millions of passengers, tons of cargo, and the hopes and stories of a nation. It remains a symbol of progress, resilience, and unity, a lifeline that continues to move India forward. The ebook is now out. Check the link in the description to explore the journey of India's railways.